What if I told you that a simple household item you probably already have in your kitchen could help relieve heartburn, prevent kidney stones, improve your oral health, and even aid in fighting certain types of cancer? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into the surprising health benefits of drinking baking soda water, an easy mixture that could have a big impact on your well-being. Curious to know how it works and what the science says? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it and when to be cautious. And also I am sharing some benefits of distilled water at the end of this video. So stay tuned to find out the benefits. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about this simple, yet powerful, remedy. So, what exactly can baking soda water do for your health? Let's explore 8 amazing ways it might benefit you. 1. It may help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are not only painful but also something you never want to experience twice. One of the most common types of kidney stones is made of calcium oxalate. Drinking baking soda water may help by making your urine less acidic, reducing the likelihood of these stones forming. Some studies suggest that baking soda might even improve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. While staying hydrated and reducing sodium intake are also key, adding a little baking soda to your water might just give your kidneys an extra layer of protection. 2. It can relieve heartburn and indigestion. If you've ever suffered from heartburn, you know how uncomfortable that burning sensation in your chest and throat can be. Baking soda water is one of the oldest home remedies for heartburn because it works as an antacid. When you drink it, the baking soda reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, neutralizing it and reducing the burning sensation almost instantly. But here's the key: while baking soda water is a fast and effective remedy for occasional heartburn, it's not meant for long-term use. If you find yourself needing it frequently, it's time to consult a doctor to explore more sustainable treatment options. 3. It could improve your athletic performance. Did you know athletes sometimes drink baking soda water before competitions? When you exercise intensely, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can make you feel fatigued. Since baking soda is alkaline, it can counteract this lactic acid buildup, allowing your muscles to keep performing at their best for longer. In fact, one study found that cyclists who drank baking soda water before their workout were able to exercise 4.5 minutes longer than those who didn't. If you're into high-intensity activities like running, cycling, or combat sports, adding baking soda to your routine could give you a competitive edge. 4. It could help with certain types of cancer treatment. Now, this one may surprise you. While baking soda is not a cure for cancer, studies suggest it could play a role in making certain cancer treatments more effective. Some types of cancer thrive in acidic environments, and since baking soda is alkaline, it may help make these areas less hospitable for cancer cells. Research in mice has shown that baking soda can slow the growth of certain tumors. While this research is still in its early stages, it might be worth discussing with your oncologist if you're undergoing treatment. 5. It may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. For people living with chronic kidney disease, maintaining the body's pH balance becomes more difficult as kidney function declines. This can lead to metabolic acidosis, a condition where your body becomes too acidic. Baking soda can help neutralize this acid, reducing the strain on the kidneys. One study even showed that patients with chronic kidney disease who took baking soda supplements had a slower decline in kidney function. If you or a loved one has kidney disease, it's worth asking your doctor whether baking soda could be a helpful addition to your treatment plan. 6. It might help with certain skin conditions. Got itchy skin from a bug bite or sunburn? Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for skin irritation. You can make a paste to apply directly to the skin or take a baking soda bath to soothe your entire body. Some people even swear by it for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so always consult with a dermatologist before trying new treatments. But if you're looking for a natural, soothing remedy, baking soda might be just what you need. 7. It could improve your oral health. Baking soda isn't just something you brush your teeth with. Drinking it might help from the inside out. Harmful bacteria in your mouth thrive in acidic conditions, and by drinking baking soda water, you can neutralize these acids, promoting better oral health. It can also reduce plaque formation, help with bad breath, and prevent tooth decay. Just remember, drinking baking soda water should never replace brushing and flossing. Think of it as an extra step in your oral hygiene routine. 8. It may help with exercise-related muscle pain and fatigue. If you've ever experienced muscle soreness after a tough workout, baking soda water could help you recover faster. Neutralizing the lactic acid that builds up in your muscles may reduce post-exercise pain and fatigue. Some studies even suggest that people who drank baking soda before their workout felt less sore afterward. So, if you're pushing your body to its limits, a little baking soda might help you bounce back quicker. Now that we've covered the benefits, here's how to prepare the perfect baking soda water solution. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Sip slowly for best results. It's best to drink this on an empty stomach for relief from heartburn or indigestion. Precautions. While baking soda water has many benefits, it's not for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, kidney failure, or heart issues, it's best to consult your doctor before trying this remedy. Also, keep in mind that baking soda is high in sodium, so it can interact with certain medications like antacids and antibiotics. As always, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can cause nausea, vomiting, or even more serious side effects. Stick to half a teaspoon in a glass of water and limit how often you drink it. Baking soda water might sound like a miracle solution, but remember, it's not a cure-all. While the benefits are promising, it's important to use it wisely and consult a healthcare professional if you have any health conditions. Now explore the benefits of drinking distilled water. 1. Purity. Distilled water is free from contaminants, toxins, and minerals, making it one of the purest forms of water. This can help prevent the intake of harmful chemicals often found in tap water. 2. Supports detoxification. By removing impurities from the water, distilled water can support the body's natural detoxification process, allowing organs like the kidneys to function more efficiently. 3. Ideal for certain medical conditions. Distilled water is often recommended for people with sensitive health conditions, as it avoids exposing the body to harmful substances like chlorine or lead. The main difference between distilled water and baking soda water lies in their composition and effects on the body. Distilled water is completely pure, with no minerals, chemicals, or impurities, while baking soda water contains sodium bicarbonate, giving it alkaline properties. In terms of how they affect the body, distilled water is excellent for detoxing because it doesn't introduce any additional substances, but it lacks essential minerals. On the other hand, baking soda water helps balance pH levels and can aid digestion, though it introduces sodium, which can impact electrolyte balance if consumed in large amounts. So, next time you see that box of baking soda in your kitchen, don't just think of it as something to clean with, consider how it might benefit your health in small, safe doses. Have you ever tried drinking baking soda water? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Share this with your friends and family so everyone can benefit from the amazing uses of baking soda water. And before you go, check out our other videos too for healthy life. Stay healthy, my friends.